this is Matt from InvestiQuant. Today is Monday, February 7, 2022. The markets are consolidating today. We are trading within the prior day's range, which was the NFP day from Friday. So this is the S&P in the upper left. You can see we opened up just a little bit this morning. Attempted higher, did not make much progress there, then tried lower and kind of balanced out down here for a little bit. And now we're trading right back to the middle of the range. No range expansion beyond Friday's range, so we have an inside day forming there. We also have an inside day in the NASDAQ and the Dow. The Russell's the only one that took out Friday's high, so that one's not an inside day, but 3 of the 4 instruments have an inside day forming following the NFP report. So we're going to go ahead and see what that has led to as we head towards the close. I've got a 3 o'clock entry here selected. It'll be a study based upon entering the market long at 3 p.m. Eastern Time, exiting at 4:15 p.m. Eastern Time. Now, currently we have an inside day, so I'm going to define that by going to the post-open filters and say that the intraday high is below the prior day high, and the intraday low is not below the prior day low. So I put 2 not statements there, hitting the minus signs next to each of those to add it to the test. The next thing I'm going to do is put us in a similar market environment. We closed above a 10 and 200-day simple moving average on Friday, so I've added both of those to the test. And lastly, in the market events library, today is the day after the non-farm payrolls report. That comes from the active today section, or you can scroll down in the day after market events, find it in our long list of those market events and hit equals next to it to get it added to the test. Now I can click view results. And here we go. These are the results based upon entering the market long at 3 p.m. Eastern Time, exiting at 4:15 p.m. Eastern Time. When you are in a bull market environment, the prior session was the non-farm payrolls report, and the current session is forming an inside day as of 3 o'clock. Historically, 31 samples here in the S&P dating back to 2003. We've got 17 in the NASDAQ, 18 in the Dow, 16 in the Russell. So really not a whole lot of samples in any of these. ES is the only one with at least 30 samples. If we look at the win rates on them, they are all coming in more towards the bullish side, with S&P coming in at 65% of those 31 samples closing above the 3 p.m. price. NASDAQ has fewer samples and a higher win rate, coming in 71%. The Dow is more neutral, 56%, and Russell, 81% of the 16 samples that we have closed above that 3 p.m. price. If we look at the average moves, average loss larger than the average win in 3 out of the 4 instruments here. The Russell is the only one with a larger average win. So Russell definitely the most bullish stats out of any of these, with the highest win rate and average win larger than the average loss. The other 3 have larger average losses. So win rates here favoring the upside historically when you have an inside day following the non-farm payrolls report in a bull market environment. Hopefully you found that helpful. Good luck today. We'll see you next time.